Good morning, students. Today we discuss rank correlation. So, firstly, we discuss the another name of rank correlation is Spearman's coefficient of correlation. The rank correlation is used for qualitative data. Qualitative data means if we want to check the quality of the two or more than two series. Let us suppose we want to check the rank correlation. If the ranks of the student in two subjects are given and we want to find the correlation between the ranks, then we use the concept of rank correlation. And rank correlation is denoted by rho or again by Rxy. The formula to find the rank correlation is 1 minus 6 summation d square over n into n square minus 1, where d is the difference in the rank of variables. D represent the difference in the ranks of variable and n is the number of observation or pairs in a series. So, D, let us suppose rank of X series are given, rank of Y series are given. If we find the difference between X and difference between the ranks of X and Y series, this is denoted by a D. So, rank correlation, firstly we discuss, is used for a qualitative data. Another rank correlation is Spearman's coefficient of correlation, and this is the formula to find the rank correlation. If the ranks are not given, to find the rank correlation, firstly we provide the rank to the series. After providing the rank to the each term of the series, then we find a rank correlation. So, now we discuss the numericals for rank correlation. The ranking of 10 students in two subjects A and B are as given below. What is the coefficient of rank correlation? Subject A and subject B. The ranking for the two subjects A and B are given as. So, subject A ranks are 3, 5, 8, 4, 7, 10, 2, 1 and 9. And for subject B, ranking is given as 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5 and 7. First we find a D. D is the difference between the ranks. So this is equals to 3 minus 6 minus 3, 5 minus 4 is 1, 8 minus 9 is minus 1, 4 minus 8 is minus 4, 7 minus 1 is 6, 10 minus 2 is 8, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 1 minus 10 is minus 9, 6 minus 5 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2. So after finding the D, next we find a D square. As we know that D square is obtained by the square of each term of a D. Minus 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64, 1 square is 1, 9 square, minus 9 square is 81, 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. Then if we find the summation of all the terms of D square, this is equals to 240. Now rank correlation is denoted by a rho. The value of rho equals to 1 minus 6 summation D square over n into n square minus 1. So 1 as it is, 6 as it is, D square is 240. If you can count, the number of terms of the series is 10. 10 into 10 square is 100 minus 1. So, if you can simplify, your rank correlation is minus 0.297. So, rank correlation is find if the ranks are given. If the ranks are not given, then firstly we assign the ranks to a given series, and this formula is used to find a rank correlation. Now we discuss more examples for the rank correlation. 10 girls in a beauty competition are ranked by 3 judges in the following order using Spearman's rank coefficient of correlation, find which pair of judges have the same taste of judgment. So 10 girls participated in some competition, and in this competition 3 judges give the ranking to the 10 girls. Then we want to check that which pair of judges have the same taste. To check the same taste of the judges, first we find a rank correlation for a judge 1 and a judge 2, then for a judge 2 and judge 3, then for a judge 3 and judge 3 and judge 1. So to find a rank correlation, let the ranks given by a first judge is represented by Rx. 2, 7, 1, 3, 6, 8, 4, 9, 5, 10. And rank given by a second judge are 5, 10, 1, 3, 7, 6, 2, 8, 4, 9. And third judge gives these value 4, 6, 2, 1, 7, 5, 3, 10, 9 and 8. Firstly, we find a D1. D1 means we find the rank correlation for judge 1 and judge 2. Then we find Rx minus Ry. 2 minus 5 is minus 3, 7 minus 10 is minus 3, 1 minus 1 is 0, up to so on. Then we find D2. Now D2 represent the judgment between second and a third judge. So we find rank of second judge minus rank given by third judge. 5 minus 4 is 1, 10 minus 6 is 4, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, up to so on. Then we find a D3. D3 is now basically for first and a third judge. Then we find 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, up to so on. So then we find a D1 square, D2 square and D3 square. So we find the D1 square. First 9, 9, 0, 0, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 9. We know that D1 square is obtained by squaring of each of this term. Similarly, we find D2 square by squaring of each of this term, and D3 square is obtained by squaring of each of this term. Then first we find a rank correlation between first two judges, Rxy, that means first judge and second judge. 1 minus 6 D1 square over n into n square minus 1. If we find the value is 0.82. Then we find the rank correlation for second and third judge. This is equals to 0.68 and this is equals to 0.7. For third, we find this is equals to 0.75. So if you can check that from these three rank correlation, the highest rank correlation is 0.82. So highest rank correlation means their taste of judgment is similar. Since the coefficient of rank correlation is highest for first and a second judge, therefore first and second judge have common approach toward the taste in a beauty, because their rank correlation is highest among these three rank correlations. Now we discuss the next rank correlation for a repeated ranks. Repeated rank means ranks are repeated more than one time. For example, let us suppose rank 3 is given to 2 or 3 students in a particular subject. Then we use the formula rank correlation 1 minus 6 summation d square plus 1 by 12 m cube minus m plus 1 by 2 m cube minus m plus up to so on over n into n square minus 1. Again, two series are given. First is for a x and a y, or either a ranks for x and y are given. Then we find a d. D is again same difference between the ranks. And then we find the value. Now m here represent the number of a times particular rank is repeated. Let us suppose in a series 2 rank, let us suppose we particularly mention rank 2 appears the 3 times, then the value of m is 3. And in the second series the rank 5 is repeated 2 times, then next value of m is 2. So m is the value how many times a particular rank is repeated. Now we discuss this with the help of example. Find out the coefficient of rank correlation from the following data. So values of x series are given, values for a y series are given. Values for x series are 92, 89, 86, 87, 83, 71, 77, 63, 53, 50. And values for y are also given 86, 83, 77, 91, 68, 52, 85, 82, 57 and 57. But the ranks are not given. So firstly we assign the ranks to a x series as well as the ranks to a y series. So rank for x series. First we assign a rank 1 to a highest value. Here the highest value is 92. So the rank is 1. Next value is 89. So rank is 2. Next value is 87. Rank is 3. Next value is 86. Rank is 4. 83. 5. After this next value is 77. 6. Then 71. 7. 68. 53. 53, 9 and 50 is 10. First highest rank is given to a first value, then lower, lower, lower and lower. Now ranks for y series. First rank is highest value is 91, so we give a rank 1. Next value is 86, 2. Next value is 85, 3. Next value is 83, 4. Next value is 82, 5. Next value is 77, 6. So on. Now after assigning a 7 rank, next value is 57, but 57 is repeated value, and up to 7 we give a rank. Now we have to choose the 2 ranks, either rank number 8 or rank number 9. So for this we have a 2 option, rank 8 and rank 9. 2 ranks, then we find the mean of these 2 ranks. 8 plus 9 divided by 2, this is equals to 8.5 and 8.5. So 9 ranks are given. Now next value is 52, so we give a rank is 10. Now after giving a rank, then we find a D. D is again same, difference between the ranks. This is equals to -1, -2 up to so on, then D square. Now we apply the formula. 1 minus 6, D square is 46.5, 1 by 12. Here how many ranks are repeated? Only one rank is repeated, 8.5, and 8.5 is repeated 2 times. So we put the value of m is 2. We put the value of m is 2. This is equals to 2 cube minus 2. Then we simplify this expression and we get our rank correlation equals to 0.715. So if the ranks are not given, then firstly we assign a rank to a series. Now next example, find out the coefficient of rank correlation for the following data. Values of x are 10, 15, 15, 20, 18, 16, 15. Values of y 16, 18, 16, 20, 20, 18 and 12. First we provide the ranks for x. First value is 20 is highest, we provide a 1, 18, 2, 16, 3. Now next value is 15, but 15 is repeated 3 times. 3 ranks are already provided to the value. Next 3 ranks are 4, 5 and 6. We have a 3 ranks, 4, 5 and 6. Then we find a mean of these 3 ranks. Mean of these 3 ranks means 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 3. This is equals to 5, 5 and 5. So the rank for the 15 is 5, 5 and 5. because up to 6 positions are given. Next value is 10. We provide a rank is 7. Now next we check in a Y series 20 is repeated 2 times. So for 20 there are 2 positions, 1 or 2. If we find the mean of 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 divided by 2, this is equals to 0.5. Then 2 ranks are given. Our next value is 18. Again 18 appears 2 times. Then the ranks are 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 divided by 2, 3.5 and 3.5. Similarly up to so on. Now then we find a D, then we find a D square. D is difference between 7 minus 5.5, 5 minus 3.5, 5 minus 5.5 up to so on. Then we find a D square. Now after finding a D square, we have to apply the formula. Now how many ranks are repeated? Firstly 5 rank is repeated 3 times. So first value of M is 3. Next 1.5 rank is repeated 2 times. Value of M is 2. Next 3.5 is repeated 2 times. Value of M is 2. Next rank 5.5 is repeated 2 times. So the formula is 1 minus 6, 9.5. First we put the value of M is 3, then 2 and 2. So after simplification we get our answer is 0.767. Next we discuss congruent deviation method to find a ranks. So congruent rank is denoted by RC. This is equals to plus minus under the root 2c minus n over n. N is the total number of term minus 1 and congruent is a change in a sign. So we discuss the one numerical based upon this. So this is the numerical for congruent. If the number of observation is 21 and the number of congruent deviation is 8, calculate the coefficient of correlation with congruent deviation method. So the value of n is, as we write, number of observation minus 1, 20, value of C is 80. Here we put the value. So if we put the value, our answer is 0.89. We can write the answer is 0.89. Here if the sign of this term is positive, then in outside under root we take a positive sign. So our answer is 0.89. So for this type, if the series is given, find the coefficient of correlation using the method of congruent deviation. First we find a deviation. So deviation for dx, deviation for dy. So the deviation for dx, first value no deviation is given. If the value is increased, then we give a positive sign. If the value is decreased, then we give a negative sign. As we can see, 10 to 12 value is increased, then positive sign. 12 to 6 to 18 positive sign. 18 to 9 negative sign. 9 to 10 positive sign. 10 to 10 0, no deviation. 10 to 21 positive sign. Similarly for dy, 36 to 37 positive sign, 37 to 39 positive sign. Similarly, then we find the product of these two signs. Plus into plus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus. And C is the sum of the positive sign. For this, if we can check that the sum of the positive sign is 6, then we apply the formula plus minus 2c minus n over n. We solve this. 12 minus 9, 1 by 3 under root 1 by 3 is 0.58. So that is the answer of our congruent deviation correlation. Thank you.